Hi all. So this lesson I will just quickly go through the one of the codes that I have published on the Udemy for Microsoft Azure AZ 900 exam. So I will discuss some of the practice sets or some of the questions and answers of those questions, type of questions that normally will be asked in the exam. So 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 actually the codes, these codes you can see here that there are six practice tests, and in each practice test there are 42 questions. So there are total 252 questions, and the questions and the difficulty level is completely based on the actual exam. Okay, so and yeah, so I will just quickly show you some of the questions of this practice test. So here, if you see the about these codes, here if you see the about these codes, the same thing I have written. So this course is something that anyone is looking for Asian 900 exam certification. This single course will make them pass in the first attempt with some with good marks also. I mean, so if you see here, 42 questions and then 252 total questions. So here some of the students' feedbacks are also there. So there are some of the students have used these practice sets and passed the exam with very high marks. If you read this comments, some of the comments from my students, okay. So this practice test I can mm, completely say like is sufficient to pass this exam. I will say no study material, nothing is required. Just this single course is sufficient to make you pass. Okay. So So let me go to the question section. Let me go to the questions. So let me just start the begin test. We'll see some of the questions. This is the first question. So this question requires that you evaluate the text inside this to determine if it is correct. When you are implementing a software solution, you are responsible for configuring high availability and this. Okay. So we have to see that this statement is correct or not. What from the options we can choose to make this correct if it is wrong. So you are responsible for configuring the high availability. As you know that this is a SaaS solution, so configuration your response. So configuration we have to do. SaaS solution customer has to do the configuration of the SaaS solution in their system. So this should be the correct answer. Let me see next question. So if you see this, for each of the following statements, select yes or no. Otherwise select no each statement. So here we have three statements. Against that there is yes or no. So we need to see like the statement is correct or yes, or true or false. If it is correct, then we need to choose yes, else we need to choose no. So the first statement is saying platform as a service solution that hosts web apps in Azure provides full control of the operating system that hosts application. So PaaS will provide full control. Yes, full control of the operating system that hosts applications. I think this is yes. Next, that host web apps in Azure provide ability to scale. Yes. Third line is platform as service solution that hosts web apps in Azure professional development service continuously add new feature. Yes, we can add new features in our custom applications that should run with issues. So yes, yes. First one is no, I think, and then the second is yes, and third is also yes. So no, yes, yes. So there should be no yes, yes. So this should be the answer. Next, let's see next question. Let me just make the full screen. So here, if you see this same type for the spot type question, there are in this exam there are a specific type of questions they will ask. So there should be one multiple choice, single answer, multiple answer, some this hot spot type, yes no type question. Then they will give some a statement, and then they will provide some solution, and they will ask that solution is sufficient or not. Those kind of questions. And then one is matching type of questions. They will give some tabular statement or some options, and they will ask you to just drag and drop which which option will match with the which option of the answer set, something like that. So yeah, so in this practice set of 252 questions, you will get those type of questions only that will be asked in the actual exam. So this is the question. Availability and flexibility, first statement should be yes. Next is to size is same, then virtual SL will generate always the same monthly cost. No, so it should be yes. Storage cost we need to pay, so it should be yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes. I think this. Okay. So I quickly finished that test, just skipped few questions. Let me finish this. I will definitely fail because I did not attempted the questions. Only three questions I have answered. So I will just quickly go through the answer of those questions. If you see this, it will displaying the module wise performance, how many questions were there, how much, how percentage we corrected and all. Then in the review section we can see the details. Okay, so let me go to review section, and then so first question we answered this, that is correct. So if you see the explanation section, that is completely explained like why that option is correct and all, and their link is also provided. If you click here, you can go to the corresponding link, documentation link that support this answer. Okay, next the hotspot second question also we correct answered correctly. Okay, and here also I have given the answer, explanation section, why the statement 1 is true. Okay, why is statement 2 is correct, why is first statement is wrong, why is third statement is correct. All these things I have given complete explanation and corresponding documentation link, same for 3. So all the course details, whatever the discount coupon I have right now, that I am going to share in the description section, so you can check, and the link also. Okay, so yeah, thank you all. Thanks for watching this. Thank you. Thank you guys.